Your Prealgebra digital teaching aids are a complete set of interactive classroom visuals that can be used in a presentation, on a tablet, or on an interactive whiteboard. These digital teaching aids, or DTAs, help you as you create engaging lessons as well as provide extra practice and review opportunities. Your Prealgebra DTAs are designed to enhance teaching and create interest through interactive learning. This video will explain some ideas and tools you can use to make teaching with your DTAs fun and easy. These DTAs correspond with the Prealgebra curriculum and work text and include images, animations, and interactive web pages. Images have been carefully selected from each chapter's content, while a number of the images and examples have also been transformed into animations. These animations are designed to help bring a complex concept to life by offering a visual illustration that reinforces difficult concepts and promotes a deeper understanding. The majority of our Prealgebra DTA videos include audio narration.
To measure an angle with your protractor, first place the vertex marker of the protractor at the vertex of the angle.
This audio narration provides a step-by-step process for each concept without taking away your ability to pause and help students through the process. Alternatively, these videos can be muted, allowing you to teach through the video at a pace that may be more beneficial to your students. When downloaded, these videos can also be placed into a PowerPoint slide and set to continually loop through the video so you can help students that may not understand, while others can watch the video to help cement the concept in their minds. No matter how you use your DTAs, we know these ideas and tools will help you create lessons that are full of creativity and interactive learning.